You're cruising along, just another day on the road, when out of nowhere a deer appears, or hail starts hammering down, or a fallen tree limb crashes onto your parked car. Nature is beautiful, but it can also be brutal, especially when it comes to your vehicle. The question is, are you financially protected when the unexpected happens? In today's video, we're breaking down what to do if animals or natural disasters damage your vehicle. We will discuss what kind of policies you actually need to be covered, what to do if you hit an animal, and, most importantly, how to file a claim for damage caused by natural disasters. So if you want to make sure you're not stuck paying thousands out of pocket, and you want a smarter way to shop for auto insurance, check out Quote.com. Just type your zip code into our free comparison tool, and you'll instantly see rates from top insurers, all tailored to fit your budget. When it comes to damage from animals or disasters, like hitting a deer or your car getting wrecked in a storm, you might be wondering, what kind of insurance actually protects you? Let's break it down. First, liability insurance is the minimum required by law in most states. It pays for damage or injury you cause to others in an accident where you're at fault. But it won't cover your own vehicle. It's designed to protect other drivers, not you or your property. Additionally, it can help cover legal fees if you're sued after an accident. Next, we have collision insurance. It helps you pay for repairs or replacements to your vehicle after an accident, regardless of who caused it. However, it only applies to crashes involving another vehicle or object, not natural disasters or hitting an animal. This coverage kicks in when your car physically collides with something. It's especially useful if you have a new car or a financed vehicle that would be costly to repair or replace. Lastly, we have comprehensive insurance. It's also called other than collision coverage and protects your vehicle from unexpected, non-crash events. This includes things like hitting an animal, hail damage, floods, falling trees, vandalism, or theft. It covers damage caused by nearly everything except a collision. While comprehensive isn't legally required, lenders often make it mandatory for leased or financed cars. And without it, they can even repossess the vehicle if the required coverage is not maintained. When the unexpected hits, being underinsured can be just as damaging as the disaster itself. Choosing the right coverage today can save you thousands tomorrow. And if you want to know how much coverage makes sense for your car and budget, visit Quote.com. Use our free comparison tool to explore quotes from top insurance providers and find the best auto policy for your needs, easy and stress-free. Hitting an animal while driving can be scary, but it's more common than you'd think, with over 1.25 million animal collisions reported every year in the U.S. It's especially likely in rural areas and during dawn or dusk, when visibility is low and wildlife is more active. If you ever find yourself in this situation, don't panic. Here are the things you need to do to stay safe and protect your claim. First, move to safety. Pull over to the side of the road, turn on your hazard lights, and stay clear of traffic. This protects you and others from additional accidents and keeps the scene secure. It also helps emergency responders locate you more easily if you need assistance. Second, don't approach injured animals. Even if an animal looks helpless, it may react aggressively out of fear or pain. It's safer to stay in your vehicle and let professionals handle the situation. Next, call police immediately. Report the incident to law enforcement or animal control, especially if there's damage or injury. In many states, this step is legally required and essential for filing an insurance claim. An official report creates a legal record, which can help protect you from liability or disputes later on. You also have to document everything. Take photos of the vehicle damage, the animal, road conditions, and note the GPS location. Accurate documentation helps support your insurance claim and ensures you don't miss any details. Lastly, contact your insurance agent. Call your insurer as soon as possible and provide your policy number, car details, and location. They'll walk you through the next steps and begin processing your claim under your comprehensive coverage. Whether it's a sudden deer in the road or a storm you didn't see coming, nature can do real damage to your vehicle. Want to know if your current coverage protects you from natural disasters? Head over to Quote.com and use our free comparison tool to explore your options, compare policies, and find the coverage that gives you real peace of mind. When a natural disaster damages or destroys your vehicle, knowing how to file a claim is essential to getting back on the road. Whether your car was submerged in a flood or swept away in a storm, these 5 tips will help you manage the situation more confidently and increase your chances of a smooth claims process. Tip number 1. Don't worry about evacuation damage. If you hit something while trying to escape a natural disaster, like a tornado or tsunami, your collision coverage is designed to protect you. You won't have to pay out of pocket for damages that result from you evacuating during an emergency. Second tip, make temporary repairs immediately. If your car has broken windows or exposed areas, cover them with tarps or plastic to prevent further damage. Save all receipts for materials and labor, as these may be reimbursed by your insurer. Next, the third step is to be patient with insurers. Insurance companies often activate 24/7 emergency teams during major disasters to handle high claim volumes. Still, delays are common, especially when thousands of other claims are being processed at the same time. Want to be sure you have the right coverage for unexpected natural events? Visit quote.com. Using our free comparison tool, you can compare quotes from top insurance providers, explore your options, and choose a policy that fits your needs and your budget, all in just minutes. Our fourth tip is to document everything. Take clear photos of the damage from multiple angles and record the last known location of your car. And for our fifth and final tip, never start water-damaged vehicles. Flooded cars may look fine on the outside, but starting them can cause severe damage to the electronics and internal systems, especially if salt water is involved. Check for signs like wet carpets, seats, or air filters before doing anything. Natural disasters are unpredictable, but knowing how to respond can make all the difference when it comes to protecting your vehicle and your finances. These tips can help you stay organized, avoid further losses, and work more effectively with your insurer during a stressful time. And if you want to feel confident that your insurance will actually show up when disaster strikes, head over to quote.com. Just enter your zip code on our easy-to-use free comparison tool to compare rates and find insurance providers that suit your budget and your situation. From animal collisions to natural disasters, sudden events can cause serious and expensive damage to your vehicle. Liability and collision insurance may not be enough. To stay fully protected, comprehensive coverage is key. Knowing what coverage you have and what you really need can save you thousands in repair bills. If this video helped you understand how to protect your vehicle from animal damage or natural disasters, please click the like button. It really helps others find this information too. Comment to let us know your thoughts and share any experiences you've had with unexpected car damage. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow insurance tips, claim advice, and ways to save on your coverage. When it comes to your car and your finances, being prepared isn't just smart, it's essential. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.